Hi everyone, it's Miss Taylor. Welcome to our first outdoor adventures video. Today I am at Grant Park. I am currently still in the car. It is not moving, so don't worry. But let's get out and let's have some fun. Here we go. Let's walk down to the beach. Let's explore the beach. Let's talk about how waves work. Most waves are caused by wind. Wind blows across the surface of the water, and this movement causes energy to build up in the water, which creates waves. We also see waves created by passing boats, like the one in this picture is doing. The gravitational pull between the sun, moon, and earth also causes waves, which is what we call the tide. And with the tide, we see the rise and fall of water levels. When the tide is high, we see waves come far up the shore. When the tide is low, the waves stay farther back. So there you go. That is how waves work. Let's get back to our adventure. time to walk back up. So now let's talk about how trees grow. You've probably noticed that there's a lot of trees here at this park, and each one of these trees began as a seed that was planted in the ground. This is a picture of a maple tree seed. When the seed is given water and sunlight, it will sprout. Roots grow downward into the ground, and the sprout begins to grow upward. As it continues to grow, the stem starts to harden and bark forms. See, in this picture, we see the hard bark of a tree. Eventually, it grows into a mature tree, like this one. A healthy and mature tree can have up to 200,000 leaves. That's a lot. This whole process takes a long time. Many of Wisconsin's trees can live to be over 100 years old. Some can even live to be over 200 years old. But trees don't live forever. Eventually, a tree will die and slowly decompose back into the soil it sprouted from and make space for a new tree to grow. And there you have it. That is how a tree grows. Let's get back to our adventure. All right, everyone, I am back in the car. It is a hot day out today, but sunny and beautiful. And I hope you enjoyed our trip through Grant Park today. As you can see, it's a place with a lot of trees, a lot of paths, a lot of bridges, and you can even see Lake Michigan, which is pretty cool. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and we will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!